All right, TikTok, we just got our new fiber laser straight from China. With shipping and customs and all that, it was about $22,000. I think it's pretty awesome. Basically consists of the laser generating portion, which is that JPT system on top, and the bottom's a big water cooler so that it doesn't overheat. It's actually a water cooled gun. That's what those lines are. It's got water cooling in the front also. So pretty slick. That's the laser gun. Not really much to see in there, but that's where the laser comes out. So I'll show you how this thing works. That's a really old, rusty piece of metal. This wasn't just sitting outside for a while. This is like from a 10-year-old tractor trailer, but I'll show you how good this works. Eats right through it, right down to paintable metal. You hit your concrete, it cleans your concrete too. And then when you got paint and rust, you got to stay on it a little bit longer, but it'll burn that right off too without damaging what's underneath. You can move along pretty fast with it, way better than any type of soda blasting or wire wheeling. So pretty awesome. We'll show some more pictures of that later on.